Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar search for Activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card online. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply tap on the first link. And just like that, AT&T will show you the instruction. Remove your SIM card from the packaging, insert it on your unlocked device, and then use your phone to scan the QR code on the activation card and follow the prompt. On the side, scroll below, then tap on Get Started. And just like that, select how many lines you're activating. I'm gonna go ahead and choose one, then tap on Continue. Just like that, now it asks for details. Enter your SIM number or ICC ID, then type in your IMEI number, and then type in your service zip code. If you're using an eSIM, you may also need to enter your EID number. Once you've done that, tap on Continue, and just like that, follow the on-screen instruction, and then your AT&T prepaid account will be activated. That's it. That is how you can activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.